So you're going to take your descaling solution and put it in, and then you're going to fill that bottle up with water and add it. Put it on there, and then you're going to go to Keurig.com to get the instructions. For this one, you have to hold the 8 and the 12 until the light pops up and starts blinking, and then you hit the K and start the descaling process. Here's the filter. You're going to put this in a glass of water, bowl of water, for 5 minutes. You got to rinse it for 60 seconds, and then you can put it back together. Is the rinse pods. This is what you use to clean the needles on the inside. That way you don't have to try to jam your fingers in there and cut your hand all up. Add your filter and you're all done.